at the Rays Marlins game, Friday, May 15th, Tropicana Field. Here we go. I haven't been to Tropicana Field since the hurricane. I didn't make it to Steinbrenner last year for one of the games at the minor league park. So we're going to the Rays game at Tropicana Field to see how all the renovations with the roof and see if there's anything new or exciting. And it's the Rays versus Marlins. Right now, the Rays are doing really well. So hopefully it'll be a good, exciting game. Let's check it out. Tropicana Field, heading in for a Rays game. Welcome back to Tropicana Field, 2026 season. To get to the touch tank where the Cow Nose Clubhouse, you go up the stairs that are next to the escalator. It's called the Cow Nose Clubhouse. And they have the Florida Dolphins with the Rays jersey on. Just got done touching the Rays down there. Those are the Rays from the Manatee Viewing Center. Got to pet them again. If you haven't seen that video, click on that video down in our description below where we pet the Rays at the Manatee Viewing Center. Blimey. We're in line for DJ Kitty and Raymond photos. You excited about DJ Kitty? Think Kona could be DJ Kitty?
Yes.
DJ Kitty! Woo! Just took a picture with DJ Kitty and now we're on the Raymond. Raymond, it's his birthday! We have Clearwater Beach and Anna Maria Island specialty area that has beach house, sandbar, Krabby's beachside bites, crab fry, Krabby pretzel. They have trophy stuff, 2008 World Series stuff, champagne signed by everybody, Rays ring, American League Championship Trophy, 2020 Championship Trophy. Kind of a step up from this one. COVID year World Series. Randy Rosarina bat, broken bat. Baseball history, St. Pete baseball. Howling Field, 83 years in St. Petersburg. A Longoria section. And then 162. Rays all-time leader games, home runs, doubles, RBI, total bases, walk-offs. 3-time Golden Glove, 3-time All-Star, Silver Slugger. We're at the batting cage. Juliana's gonna go hit some home runs. Ooh, nice. Ooh, plus 66. This is how she wins at Topgolf. Woo! There you go. All right. No pressure, no pressure. Oh. Almost. All right, now it's my turn. Probably still won't be that good. Unfortunately, we hit the wrong button and didn't film my attempt in the batting cage, but it went something like this. Check out the team store, see if they have any good merchandise. Sucks. Rays Connect jersey. Should we get a little DJ Kitty for Kona? Think Kona would play with it? No? We buy so many toys for our cats, and they don't really play. Oh, it is like a beanbag stuff. Kona might play with that. I'll consider this one. Oh, this is fun. My first game. I wish other teams had stuff like that. That's fun. I like the Cuban sandwich. Appropriate. Nachos. Looks like a long hoagie. Now we're going to circle around the rest of the food area. Still trying to figure out what we want to eat for food here at Tropicana Field. Mr. Softy, chicken salad chick, Little Greek, Colony Grill, Bird and Batter, Central Burger, Smoke and Pour, pulled pork nachos. That sounds pretty good. How big this nacho platter is. Woo! View from our seats here at Tropicana, the 200 level, right next to the owner's box and the press box. We walked up to our seats to check out where they were and then let my dad sit down and rest his legs. And then we checked out the food on the 200 level and there really wasn't that many options. So now we're heading back down to get some food. Got my dad some crispy chicken fingers with fries and a helmet. This was $18. Barbecue sauce. We are getting the big nachos. Juliana and I gotta share these. We got the really big nachos. We'll tell you how many innings it takes us to finish it, if we finish it. The Rays are taking the field. Go Rays! Woo! Go Rays! Woo! We've made quite a dent in our nachos. There's a little bit left. I don't know if that'll get eaten or not, but I feel like we did a good job.
You say that it's supposed to feed 2 to 4?
It's supposed to be 2 to 4. We are 2 to 4. We are included in that number. Oh! Heading out. So far it was a good game. We don't want to jinx it. It's only the 7th, but they're ahead 7-2. So hopefully they'll continue to win, and we saw a good game. Look, it's a Mickey. Character stop time. Mickey character stop. Ah! Thank you, Rays fans. Pretty good crowd tonight for the Marlins game. I think the seats were good. We got 200 level seats, nice and cushioned.
On your way home, tune into the Rays radio posting show on 95.7 WDAE.
We're leaving at 9 p.m. Bottom of the 7th inning. Rays are still winning. Hopefully they will continue to win and the roof will turn orange. We won't be here for it, but just imagine a nice orange roof. And that was our trip to Tropicana Field for the Rays versus Marlins. Thanks for coming on this journey with us.